about compassionate marketing. See, compassionate marketing is something which is a new type of marketing concept, which the companies actually it's not using, but they may use in future. See, what is compassionate marketing? Is it like showing compassionate towards consumers? If so, what kind of a compassionation they show? More so, if you see the companies normally what they do is they will look at the aspect which when they are selling product or service, they normally use high decibel promotions to sell the products to consumers. So because most of the companies use high decibel promotions or pricing to attract consumers and like motivate them to buy the product, the consumers normally do not focus on whether the product they are buying is actually useful to them, valuable to them. So in that case, what happened? The consumers are forced to choose a product based on a price and promotion, not based on the value or benefits they get from the product or service. So in that case, after the purchase, the consumer will feel and they find the product or service they acquired is not useful to them. Thus, it creates a kind of a distrust among the companies, those who are selling those products. So because of that, over a period of time, the consumers will start disconnecting from whatever the product and services the company is offering, even though if it is a genuine product or services, they will start doubting the value of the product. So in that sort, the concept of compassionate marketing is coming. It is primarily helping consumers to identify the product or service which are valuable to them, which are actually they require to satisfy the requirements and what they wanted to buy this product or service. So that is where the compassionate marketing is very useful. So how this compassionate marketing will work? So compassionate marketing is something the company need to use these practices to address the consumers, to help the consumers to identify the product or service which they feel they will get the value for it. So in that case, how the company can help the consumers to acquire the product or service which they get value for that. So that is where the role of technology comes into picture. So the company needs to develop a kind of a system where they will be asking a kind of an interactive questions whenever a consumer approaches a company for a product service. And that interactive questions will help the consumers to identify the appropriate product or service which they can buy and get benefit of it. So this interactive questions this process can be developed through the artificial intelligence process, which will really helpful to the consumers when they buy the product. So once the consumers buy the product and service which they find value, the consumers automatically get connected with the company and also they will show the loyalty. So the company need not spend money on promotions or pricing. They don't have to give any offers to consumers. They can offer the product or service which the consumers feel value to it. So in that way, the company can save billions of dollars, which normally they spent on promotions, or sometimes they'll give a price offers. So which like normally it will affect the bottom line of the company, which is a profit. So it is very imperative for a company to be compassionate towards consumers, understand their needs, requirements, and guide them towards a product or service which they feel they find value for it. So this is what we talk about compassionate marketing. So thank you very much for watching this video and keep watching such videos in the future.